The Mercedes-AMG CLE 63 Mythos is finally here, and honestly, this might be one of the craziest AMG coupes Mercedes has made in years. Just look at this thing. Long, wide, aggressive, expensive looking. And unlike a lot of modern performance cars that are overloaded with fake vents and weird futuristic styling, the new 2027 CLE 63 AMG Mythos actually feels clean, muscular, and properly intimidating. Mercedes absolutely nailed the design here. You've got the long hood, wide rear stance, frameless coupe profile, and that aggressive AMG bodywork that instantly tells you this is not a normal CLE. And the design? It looks incredible. Up front, you get those razor-sharp LED headlights paired with the massive Panamericana grille that basically looks like it wants to inhale the entire road. The lower bumper is huge, the air intakes are massive, and the front splitter gives the car this almost GT race car look. Then from the side, this is where the car really starts showing off. The proportions are perfect. Long doors, huge wheels, aggressive side skirts, wide fenders, carbon accents. This thing looks like a luxury coupe mixed with a supercar. Honestly, if you saw this driving down the street, you'd probably think it costs twice what it actually will. And then there's the rear. That ducktail spoiler mixed with the aggressive diffuser and slim LED taillights gives the CLE 63 Mythos this super exotic look at night. The wide stance, quad exhaust setup, and black aero details make the car feel planted and violent even while standing still. This thing looks fast, and knowing AMG, it probably is. Now, Mercedes still hasn't officially revealed every performance detail yet, but rumors are pointing toward a seriously powerful hybrid-assisted AMG setup with well over 600 horsepower. And honestly, that sounds exactly like something AMG would do. Because this isn't supposed to be subtle. This is supposed to be loud, fast, overpowered, and slightly ridiculous in the best possible way. That's the entire point of an AMG Mythos car. And unlike a lot of modern luxury performance cars that are becoming more quiet and disconnected, this new CLE 63 still feels like it wants to scare you a little bit when you hit the throttle, which is exactly what enthusiasts want. The crazy thing is this car might end up being one of the last true gas-powered AMG coupes before everything goes fully electric. And you can feel that energy in the design. Mercedes knows enthusiasts still want drama. They still want engine noise, they still want aggressive styling. They still want a car that feels special every single time you walk up to it. And honestly, this CLE 63 Mythos absolutely delivers that feeling. And if Mercedes gets the sound, performance, and driving experience, right? The BMW M4 competition, Audi RS5, Porsche 911, and even some Aston Martin buyers might have a serious problem. Because this thing has the potential to become one of the most desirable AMG coupes in years, the second it hits dealerships. Honestly, this might be the ultimate modern AMG.